use a white plastic spatula or a clean brush to remove debris from egg rings and grill. Remove any waste into the scrap pans. If a scraper is needed, use a plastic scraper. This is the preferred method. If you are using a metal scraper, wrap the scraper in a clean grill cloth first. Tools: clean grill cloth, McD All-Purpose Super Concentrate solution, bucket of clean sanitized towels, bucket for soiled towels, plastic scraper or metal scraper wrapped with a clean grill cloth. Turn the unit off. Unplug the power cord. Allow the unit to cool before proceeding. Remove the top cover, egg rings, and rack. Take these items to the 3-compartment sink. Wash, rinse, sanitize, and allow to air dry. Spray McD All-Purpose Super Concentrate solution on a clean sanitizer-soaked towel. Wipe the grill surface clean. If a scraper is needed during cleaning, use a plastic scraper. This is the preferred method. If you are using a metal scraper, wrap the scraper in a clean grill cloth first. Once the grill surface is clean, wipe the grill surface with a clean sanitizer-soaked towel. Do not pour water onto the grill surface or scrape the grill with a metal scraper, as this can cause damage to the grill surface. Reinstall the top cover, egg rings and rack, and scrap pans. Wipe the exterior of the unit with a clean sanitizer-soaked towel or a clean dry towel sprayed with sanitizer solution.